Hi there, my name's Mark Richards, resident of Beckfield in Buckinghamshire, just outside London, and this is my new Life hot tub, which was delivered about 2 months ago. Previous to this hot tub, I had a Classic for around 2 years, and then this was the upgrade to that. Between the two models are the Life heats up a little bit faster, it's a little bit quieter, it's a bit more energy efficient. The maintenance is around about the same, and the jets are nice and powerful, nice and strong, and perfectly positioned in each of the seating arrangements to give a variety of benefits to different areas of my back. One of the things we love, I have 2 small children, and it's really nice for family time because the kids can't be using electronics, all of the gizmos, so we get to sit out there, have a chat about how the day's gone, how the week's gone, things like that. So it's a really nice family orientated time for us. Favourite feature for me specifically is the jets on this. The jets are really nicely placed, and each of the chair positions has a slightly different setup. I have some severe back problems, and there's a number of the seats just hits exactly the right spots. It really helps loosen it off and relax me after a long day at work. The biggest fear for me was very much the maintenance of it. How much of a bind is this going to be? How much of my time is this going to take? I've set it into my morning routine. I'll come out and I'll set it up, I'll check the levels. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes of my time to quickly check it and dose it. Favourite memory in it so far, when the Northern Lights were on the other day, my wife and I sat out in the hot tub. We switched the lights off and just sat and looked up at that, and that was a very special moment because it obviously doesn't happen very often in the UK. I definitely recommend this one. It's a really nice setup. It's a really nice feel. The jets are good, and there's a lot of them. So from my point of view, that's been great in terms of the therapy, and the cost hasn't really been a factor from our perspective. It's not made a huge difference in our day-to-day electricity bills, and yeah, the maintenance has been relatively simple.